If you want to learn how to use Canva AI, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get started with Canva AI, where to find it, and how to choose the right AI tool depending on what you want to create. Whether you want to make a design, generate an image, create a document, or even use AI for code and video clips, Canva AI can save you a lot of time and help you work much faster. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Canva and go to the Canva AI homepage. If you're not already signed in, log into your Canva account so you can access the AI features properly. Once you're on the homepage, look at the left side panel. You should see a section or button labeled Canva AI. If you don't see it right away, you can also use the search bar at the top and type Canva AI to quickly find it. Click on it to launch your AI assistant. Once Canva AI opens, you'll see different tools depending on what you want to create. This is where the real power of Canva AI starts. Canva gives you several options, and each one is designed for a different kind of task. If you want Canva to build something visual from your idea, choose Design. The Design tool can create layouts from a simple prompt, and in some cases, you can even upload an image to guide the result. If your goal is to create artwork or visual content from scratch, choose Image. This tool generates images based on your text prompt, which is great for social posts, thumbnails, concept art, or just getting unique visuals fast. Simply describe what you want as clearly as possible, and Canva AI will generate image ideas for you. If you need written content, click Docs. The Docs tool is useful when you want Canva AI to help generate documents based on a prompt. This can be helpful for outlines, content drafts, notes, or any kind of text-based structure you want to build quickly. If you're working with technical content, select Code. Canva AI can generate code from prompts, which is useful if you need help creating or understanding simple code-related tasks. You don't need to be a developer to try it out. Just explain what you want in plain language and let the AI do the heavy lifting. And if you want to work with video-related content, choose Video Clip. Canva AI can help generate video clip ideas or supporting content based on your prompt. This is especially useful for creators who want to speed up their workflow and brainstorm visual assets faster. Now, the best way to get good results from Canva AI is to be specific with your prompt. Instead of just typing something vague like make a design, try giving it more detail. For example, tell it what style you want, what format you need, and what the final goal is. The more context you provide, the better the AI output usually becomes. After choosing your tool and entering your prompt, review the results and refine them if needed. One of the biggest advantages of Canva AI is that you can keep improving your output until it matches what you had in mind. You can adjust the wording, try a different tool, or change the style to get closer to the final result. So that's the basic process for using Canva AI. Go to the Canva homepage, open Canva AI from the left panel or search bar, then choose the tool that fits your task best. Design, image, and just code or video clip. From there, just enter your prompt and start creating. It's a simple way to speed up your workflow and get more done in less time. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.